to discover the depth of your mind. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. To discover the depth of your brain, your mind, and conquer your being, you must know that this is not going to happen overnight or very soon. You have to know about this. This is a continuous path, growing and developing. You have to ask yourself many different questions. Answer each question honestly and analyze your answers. Yeah, that's so important. Analyze your answers. Answer honestly and analyze your answers. From now on, ask yourself why you feel this way or that way. What made you do or not do a certain thing? The information you gain through this is pure, valuable, and powerful, because it allows you to find your roots. This way you can use your mind in an efficient and effective way. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. It's too important and too powerful. But it's no use if you don't know how to use it. Right. Yes. Right. Ask yourself a lot. Ask yourself why you did it, why you feel that way. Where did it come from? How can you behave differently this time? How can you go there? How can you achieve something you want? What you really want in life? What really you feel about someone or something or a situation or anything? How can you do something that uses all of your being? Your powerful, your powerful mind, along with your honest body, along with your beautiful soul, and with your inner core, all together make your being, and you can step forward in multiverse. Ask yourself, find out so many different things about yourself. That's so cool and so important. and it is necessary for you. Yeah. Remember, no one can take your place, and you cannot take someone else's place too. Always remember, there is only one you. Okay? There is only one you. Write a comment for me, and if you like my video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and listening to my videos. Thank you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Amira Rani. Bye.